What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, as you all know, Advocate Mnisi threatened to pull out from representing Moses Sevilla on Tuesday because he hasn't finished reading those 60,000 pages. So, this has left Moses Sevilla, with kind of a headache on who should represent him. But he should worry not, because he has received an offer from Advocate Tulo from the Daily Fix. So Advocate Tulo is indeed a lawyer and has represented so many clients in court. So if you do some research on Google, you'll find out that Advocate Tulo actually has a lot of experience in criminal trials, reading court records and handling them. So this gives him like a lot of experience. And the good thing is that he is not seeking any financial gain in representing Moses Sevilla. So the big question that is there is that Advocate Tulo, if he is given the offer right here, right now, is he going to be able to start representing Moses Sevilla starting on Tuesday? Because Judge Rata wants the case to resume on Tuesday going forward. He does not want any delays whatsoever. So starting today, let's say that Advocate Tulo has been granted, permission to represent Moses Sevilla. The only thing that is going to need is to familiarize himself with the opposition strategy, because the defense have their strategy that is currently in place. So he would need to analyze those tactics and evidence swiftly. And another thing is that he'll have to be briefed on Moses Sevilla's expectations, especially coming from the previous representation, and also gaining trust from Moses Sevilla that starting on Tuesday, he is ready to start firing, and he'll have to satisfy Moses Sevilla, with this significant change and in such a short time. So tell me what you think in the comment section. Can Advocate Tulo pull this off by Tuesday? I'll catch you guys in the next one.